Well, here we have a beautiful 66 GT Mustang in candy apple red. We've done a lot of sorting out to this car. Now, I have a pro tip for you guys regarding the battery. Let me show you what I mean. So here's a common problem that a lot of people have run into over the years, including ourselves. And if you haven't yet, you probably will. You put your new battery in your 65 or 66 Mustang, you stick your battery clamp in, and you realize this is not gonna work. And the reason is there's no ledge on the bottom of these modern batteries these days, like there used to be. So your factory style clamp is not going to be able to clamp down your battery and keep it secure. Obviously that is not a scenario you want going on in your classic car. So unless you go out and buy one of the exact reproductions of the vintage Autolite battery, which is fairly expensive, you've kind of got a problem here. However, there is a solution and I can show you what that is. This is what you need right here. I got these parts from VirginiaClassicMustang.com, and I'll put the links in the description for you guys. So what this is, it's a battery tray that bolts right into your 65 or 66 Mustang. However, it accepts the more modern style 24F size battery, and it uses the more modern style hold down clamp and J-hooks that Ford went to in 67. So what this does is three things for you. It allows you to have a more secure hold on your battery. You can upgrade to the more modern style 24F size battery, which you can find at every auto parts store. And as an added bonus, they usually have higher cold cranking amps in these batteries. And number three, it takes away the headache of trying to find a battery with that ledge on the side, because those are pretty much all phased out now these days, and it's very, very difficult to find a battery with that ledge on the side, especially going forward. You're just probably not going to be able to find them. So this is a great problem solver and a great upgrade. I highly recommend it for your 65 or 66 Mustang. Again, I said I'll put the links in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. And keep your eyes out. We will be posting more pro tip videos on our site. Thanks for watching.